welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the inventive stereo earphones. Let's take a look at them. So before we crack these open, as you guys already know, I love packaging. Again, I'm a bit of a fan of the glossy cardboard. I like it when companies do this. It definitely catches the eye, and I do like the little window in the back to look at the actual earbuds or headphones before you actually buy them. So let's go ahead and pop them open. Let's see what's in here. Now, a staple that we are seeing of these cheaper headphones is that they don't come with any paperwork and they don't come with any additional parts or accessories, and we can see that is clearly the case here. As we can see, we only get the headphones and that is it. Now, I realize this may not be a super fair comparison to the other ones, as the other ones have soft rubber ear tips and these have hard plastic ear tips. But again, they're both pretty cheap headphones, so we're gonna throw them in the same category and give them a test run and see how they sound. Now, in my previous pair of headphones, I thought that they didn't work because the volume slider was turned all the way down. I'm not gonna commit the same mistake here. And it looks like we also have a very similar mechanism with, again, a volume slider that goes up and down. We have a pinhole microphone as well as a button that I'm gonna guess is gonna function as play, pause, skip forward, and also skip backwards, as well as answering and ending phone calls. So now, once these are in here, immediately they just feel just a teeny bit nicer than the other ones. I mean, at least the jack definitely feels a bit nicer quality, and it doesn't feel like they just pulled it out of the injection mold. And it definitely looks a little bit nicer. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And the earbuds themselves, again, it's hard plastic. These kind of look like the AirPods a little bit. And I'm a fan of this little, I'm not sure how well you guys can see that. It appears to be a chrome grill in there, which is actually nice. It's not mesh. It's like a little actual chrome grill. And it looks like that is extended all through the back. And there's some sort of slits in the back for either ventilation or for the allowance of air to be pushed through more easily. Let's go ahead and pop these guys in. Oh wow, surprisingly, I was gonna say surprisingly good fit until that one fell out of my ear, but I mean, the moment you pop them in there, they actually, if you remain stationary, actually, these actually have a pretty okay fit. I mean, about as good as of a fit as you can expect from hard plastic earbuds. And I'd say these sit and fit in my ear the same way that regular hard plastic AirPods would, so I'm not complaining there. Let's go ahead and go listen to our favorite song, Suicidal Redemption by Metallica. Let's go ahead and skip ahead to the good parts. Okay, so again, I've heard enough. I'm surprised. Okay, so there's, how do I describe this? What's the best way to describe this? They sound perfectly flat, actually. Where the inventive music stereo headphones sounded muddled and sounded loose. Like again, if you could imagine a speaker cone or a speaker It's normally tight. That one felt really loose. These felt tighter, and it felt like the frequencies were all flat. It felt like nothing was scooped. It felt like nothing was turned up. These aren't trying to be bassy. Again, they sound flat. It's not gonna blow you away. There's no booming bass. There's no amazing highs. It's just flat, which is good. And again, it's not amazing. It's not clear, but it's flat, and it's fairly clear. I don't want to say it's crisp, because then that's getting into more level detail, especially when you listen to something like a crash or a cymbal or a hi-hat. You don't hear that tss, tss, tss. I would love to hear that very crisp, that very well defined tss. But you unfortunately don't get that here. You still hear them, but they're just not as well defined as I like them to be. But I'm definitely gonna have to give these guys a solid B-, because I was definitely surprised. I do believe that these are anywhere from the $10 to $15 range. I'm gonna have to see if that actual $15 solid price range makes an actual difference from these to the other ones, because I know for a fact, going from the music ones, the inventive musics, to these, we've definitely already had an upgrade, not just in the build quality, but also in the sound quality as well. And I'm impressed. I'd give these a solid B-, for the price and for what they are, and from where we're coming from. We're still gonna have to see how the other ones do. Maybe we might have to reevaluate our grade that we give this, but I feel pretty confident giving it a solid B-, especially again for the price and for what they are. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if you've had experiences similar with these pairs of headphones, or what is your experience with a very cheap pair of headphones. And make sure to be subscribed so that you guys can be entered in the giveaway for the Alcatel Droid Tab 2 tablet. I will be giving one of these guys away the moment I reach 750 subscribers. And again, all you have to do to be entered in that giveaway is make sure to comment and resubscribe. Comment again, what is an experience you've had with very cheap headphones, whether good or bad. And as always, thanks for watching.